So I am going to go to the dollar store and I'm gonna be doing the dollar store DIY challenge. Yes, yo tippy tappies are ruining my audio, yes. Moose just literally sat on the bottom of the tripod. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. Are we not exciting enough for you here on the laurDIY channel? I see how it is. Who fills your water bowl, Mia? Who fills it? So anyways, I'm gonna head to the dollar store with no game plan, no DIY in mind, and just see if I can make something cute from the dollar store. Pretty sure that's how the DIY dollar store challenge, dollar store DIY. So anyways, let me know in the comments how you think I did on my DIY. Why can't I get this freaking craft name right, Meows? Let me know in the comments how you think I did on my dollar store DIY. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram, it's pretty poppin' on the Instagram fam, so make sure to follow me on there. And also hit the notification bell if you want to stay up to date on all my new uploads. Meows, you have been a very large distraction. Let's get on into the video. Back from the dollar store, and to be completely honest with you, I'm pretty sure I've seen these frames at Target, but I got them at the dollar store for like $1.50. Also, what do we think about the dollar store pricing things that aren't actually $1? How do we feel about that? Okay, so here's my game plan. Also, because this is more of like a live DIY, on a scale of 1 to 10 of spazziness, we could be like sitting somewhere around like a 7.5, 8, depending on how smoothly this goes. Okay, so what I'm thinking is I'm gonna take this photo out, I'm gonna cover the glass in some marble contact paper for like the bottom of a cute little tray, and then I'm gonna remove all this like middle situation from here so we just have the frame, rip this little thing off. Do you have a name? Do you have a name in life? Stack these on top, glue them together. Also not from the dollar store. I know I'm a little bit cheating, but they just like didn't even have them there, and it was like it's the final finishing touch. Like we could do it without them, but it'll be like a bajillion times cuter with them on. So drawer pulls on both sides, here and here, and then the vase with all the flowers in the middle. I think it's gonna be really cute. Also, this is how the process of a DIY goes down in my head, and then normally I film it and then edit it to make it look pretty and perfect, but this gonna be like the live, maybe a little bit spazzy DIY version of that. So we'll see. Step 1, let's remove these little children in rain boots. Oh wait, do I wanna just cover this in contact paper? See, this is like the behind the scenes of what my other DIY videos look like. No, let's just cover the whole glass in contact paper. Also, if you have not invested in a roll of like marble contact paper, girl, you need to get on that because you can make literally anything look so cute with marble contact paper. Also, I'm at like the end of the roll, so it's real curly. I need an X-Acto knife. Just kidding, we gon' YOLO this. Ha, ha. Behind the scenes of laurDIY, here we go. Please be sharp enough to cut through contact paper. Nope, it's totally not doing it. Here we go, attempt number 2, using real scissors, like a grown-up. Here we go. Okay, goodbye super curly contact paper. Oh my gosh. See, this is what actually happens. There's just like so much brain happening. Okay, contact paper, we're gonna do it, we're just committing. And if you guys have seen any of my DIY videos, work in small sections, you will regret your entire life if you do not. Moment of truth, and touchdown. Okay, we're doing it. I need, yeah, so I just like didn't come very prepared to this DIY. You'll do. Oh yeah, it's good. There's just no space for you in here, air bubbles. Just not your time. It's not your time. This is the best contact paper. You can literally get so much of it for so cheap. I'm pretty sure I just taped my glass down to my craft mat. Yep, okay. A little snippety of the edges. All this stuff is gonna get hidden anyways on like the inner part of the frame. Thank goodness gracious, because ain't nobody trying to see these rough edges. Guys, I have like some major faith though in this DIY. Like I think it's gonna be good. All right, we are contact papered. Ooh, that looks good, Wait a minute. Oh, wait. Wait, oh yeah, no, that makes sense. Okay, this goes back in here, but facing up. Wait, does that make sense? Wait. Oh wait, no, okay, no, I got it. Okay, face down. Yep, wait, why don't you fit anymore? Is the contact paper blocking X is too big? I'll be so sad. Contact paper, you're not that big. You're not, this like, okay, no, we're just gonna force it in. The muscles, muscles. For real though? You know what? Ain't nobody got time for that. Okay, one last corner. Oh yeah. Is it cute? I haven't even looked at it. Is it cute? Oh my God, it's so cute. Okay, so this is the bottom, and then this goes back in. Did I just break it a little bit? It's okay, it's the bottom. Everyone just roll with it. Everyone be chill. Oh my gosh, this contact paper thinks that it is so entitled to messing up this whole DIY. Okay, this guy needs to go. I think this will just rip off. Here, moment of truth. Yeah, this is totally just rip off. Wait, no. Oh, yeah, here we go. Safety first, ladies and gentlemen. Ah, wow, what kind of glue is this dollar store using? I did it. Man, I don't know why this thing is being so cranky though with like fitting in here. This contact paper has some serious nerve trying to mess with our DIY though. There's the bottom of our tray. Moving, oh no! Oh, it's on the outside. Everyone, be calm, be calm. What I'm thinking is that we take all of this stuff out. Goodbye, goodbye. Don't need you. And then we do a little layer situation here. Ooh, that looks cute. Oh my God, get it together, backing. Okay, yeah, we're gonna duct tape that in. Yo, that looks cute. Glue gun, here we go. Okay, wait, I think I only have one shot with this though, right? Because I have to put the whole thing down at one time. Oh, that gonna be a problem. This really is like the live version of what DIYing is like, and the things that I say while I'm DIYing, but I end up cutting all the audio. This is the live version of that. Here we go, glue gun. We got this. One big loop for all of it. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, I'm stressed. I'm stressed. I'm stressed. I'm stressed. I'm stressed. I'm stressed. We're doing it. One shot. Ooh, it looks good, it looks good, it looks good. Good placement. Oh my gosh. Okay, honestly, backing, you are just really not invited to this situation. Oh my God, cute! Guys, look, we got like little edges now, so none of your stuff will fall out when you're displaying all your cute things. You know what, maybe I'll just glue this thing in. I think that might be the move. Did I put that in upside down? Yeah, I told. Oh, does it not fit? Oh God, oh God, oh God, the stress is so real right now. Okay, we're gonna make it work, we're gonna make it work. Oh my God, is this really happening right now? Is this happening? Is this happening? It's super happening, isn't it? Yeah, it's happening. Remember when I said this DIY was gonna be a little spazzy? Like between 7.5 to 8? You are currently witnessing that. All right. Oh my gosh, okay, it looks good. Minus that, just pretend you don't even know if that's there. Pretend that that is not happening. Because that's what I'm gonna do. So my plan now is here and here. And I should measure it to make it symmetrical and stuff, but do I really want to? Not really, to be honest with you. I don't know I have a ruler in here. Stand by. Nope. We're gonna YOLO this. We go, oh my God, am I the dumbest person in the entire world? The answer is yes, because this is literally a ruler mat. I'm so dumb. This is why I make crafts and I didn't go into some kind of profession that requires like numbers and stuff. Yeah, that looks cute. All right, let's do it. Guys, did we ever name this glue gun? I remember the pink one's name was Gloria, but like this is the OG glue gun that's in every video. A little dibby dabby hot glue and commitment. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Why does this look like an actual like piece of room decor? Drawer pull / handle of cute table tray number 2 and commitment. Oh, it's so scary. Okay. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Wait, are we done? Are we done? Is that it? Wait, why does that look so cute? It's so cute! Okay, so it has always boggled my mind how freaking expensive fake flowers are. Like, you're fake. You're not even alive. Why are you so expensive? Doesn't make any sense. So, oh my God, that was almost death. Don't buy fake flowers from expensive craft stores. Like, I have so much love for craft stores, obviously, but get your fake flowers at dollar stores. 100%. I just like am envisioning the glass shattering as I pour all these rocks in. Okay, possible heads up for headphone users. This might potentially be loud. Wait, these are actually super cute though. Oh my God, do every single one of these have tags? Yeah, they do. Okay, BRB for like 10 minutes while I detag these. Okay, so I really feel like, oh no. Yep. Yo, make room! Make room, rocks! I feel like you guys didn't quite know how much struggling goes on behind each DIY. I would say it's like 20% crafting and 80% struggle. Seriously? You want to play me like that, rocks? I see how it is. Okay, yeah, why is that so cute? Should I become a florist? Attempt number 2. There's a piece of hair stuck in here. That was not part of the floral arrangement. No thank you. Cute! I've got like a pretty intense sticker collection. So I think I find like a cute gold sticker that we can put here. Like low-key, I wanted to like put a fake Chanel logo here because I feel like the dollar store challenge is all about like trying to be a little bougie but not spending more than like $6. But I feel like it should be gold. Oh my gosh, wait, this is actually so cute! Dollar store DIY challenge. Crushed it. Okay. What kind of inspirational thing do we want to say on our dollar store floral arrangement? Ooh, I just saw a super gold page. Way up. So cute. The lucky ones? I feel like we're pretty lucky. Yeah, let's do that. Oh my gosh, my hands are so shaky, like post coffee. Ooh, cute. Oh my God, do I have to put these on individually? Okay. It's not the type of commitment I signed up for. Okay, and then there's this little cute little asterisk. This is the cutest sticker book I am pretty sure that I own. The lucky ones! Guys, it's so cute! Besides there being an explosion of cleanup that I have to do after this, I think like we pretty much nailed this. I'm gonna like tally up how much I spent total so we can see if it is like a true dollar store worthy DIY, but let me know how you think I did and roll the cute B-roll. I like this. Also enjoyed this DIY dollar store challenge. Let me know in the comments how you think I did if I made like a cute like dollar store situation, because like high key there is so much DIY-able stuff at the dollar store for so inexpensive. And make sure to send me photos if you try out any of your own dollar store DIYs. I would love to see them. Tweet me a photo at laurDIY and on Instagram with the hashtag laurDIY. And if you haven't already shopped my laurDIY merch, there'll be a link for that in the down bar below, but it is shop.laurDIY.com. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't seen last Wednesday's weekly vlog, that'll be linked in the down bar below, and I will see you guys again on Wednesday for another cool vlog and again on Sunday for another Sun DIY. Yes. Okay, bye guys, love you.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running